Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to enable news notifications on the X app. If you've ever missed an important update or breaking headline, this quick guide will make sure you stay informed the moment news comes in. Let's get started. The first step is to go to your phone's settings. This is where all of your app controls are stored. Take a moment to find the settings icon on your device and tap to open it. Next, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Apps. This section lists every application that's installed on your phone, including the one we're working with today. Give it a second to load up the full list, then continue. Once you're inside, look for the X app. You can usually spot it pretty quickly by name or by its icon. Tap on the X app to open its individual settings screen. From here, you'll see several options, but what we want to focus on are the notifications. Tap on the button that says Notifications to move on to the next step. Inside the Notifications menu, look for notification categories. This section allows you to control which specific types of alerts the X app can send you. Sometimes, apps split notifications into groups like messages, updates, or news, which makes it easier to customize. Now, find the category labeled News and toggle it on. This is the key step. When you switch this category on, your phone will be able to send you alerts as soon as the X app publishes new stories or updates that fall under the news section. And that's it. You've successfully enabled news notifications for the X app. From now on, you'll receive timely alerts and won't miss out on the latest updates happening in the world. If you want to make sure the change worked, you can go back, open the X app, and double-check that news alerts are active. With these settings, you're always just a glance away from the latest headlines. Thanks for following along.